Ever wondered how to make your own candles? Welcome to Nature Craft Essentials, the hub for all things crafty nestled in the vibrant heart of Dubai. Today, we're plunging into the fascinating realm of candle making, and believe me, it's going to be illuminating. Firstly, wax, the lifeline of your candle. Pick from our superior range, encompassing soy, beeswax, and paraffin, each possessing its own distinct allure. But here's where things get truly intriguing. Imagine a candle imbued with therapeutic benefits. Engage with the realm of aromatherapy by incorporating our specially selected essential oils and fragrance oils. From the soothing lavender to the revitalizing eucalyptus, your candles can become a comprehensive sensory experience. Now, time to stir up some inspiration. Combine your selected ingredients, pour them into the molds, and witness the enchanting transformation. This isn't simply crafting, it's a tribute to your individual style and passion. And there you have it. Your handmade masterpiece is ready to illuminate your surroundings and bring joy to those around you. Handmade candles are more than just objects. They're narratives expressed through wax and scent. Here's another thought. Have you ever considered turning your passion into a profitable endeavor? Handmade candles are not just a pastime. They're a flourishing business opportunity. Picture sharing your crafted marvels with the world and transforming your creativity into a shining business venture. So, whether you're here for the joy of crafting, the therapeutic benefits, or exploring the business side of handmade wonders, Nature Craft Essentials is your ally in every step of this aromatic journey. So, why wait? Delve into our store, gather your essentials, and embark on your candle-making adventure. Like and subscribe for more crafty tips and tricks. And always remember, at Nature Craft Essentials, every candle has a story, and we're here to assist you in crafting yours. It's time to ignite those creative sparks, folks.